All right, y'all. So going into the market, y'all can see the market is consolidating right now, right here on the EMA. But y'all can see yesterday we had that big ass push up with no pullbacks, nothing at all. So today I'll be looking probably for sales. Once again, we gonna see what the market do at open and see if it actually gives us a setup. But um, yeah, if we do break above below this EMA, I will be looking at one of these candles for another zone. Just depending on, like I said, just depending on how the market opens. But I am bearish on today. Um, yeah, I am bearish on today, so I'll give y'all an update on that. Y'all can see. Um, excuse me. These are London highs, so the market could come up here and sweep this during market open, which would be perfect for me. Which I would probably that would probably be my entry if it does do that. Which I would probably get in a little early because I expect this zone to reject. This is a 30-minute zone. Let's go down and look at on the 15. On the 15, there is a this could be the this could be the candle that we use for a supply zone. It's only 8:30 or 8:22 right now though, so we would just have to wait and see. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at as of right now. Y'all can see this one did not hold up. Um, this is just something that I just see by just looking at the charts. I didn't have this wrote up or anything, but here's one that did not hold up. Um, so yeah, we will be seeing how this 30 minutes on hold. And yeah, that's what I'm looking at going into the market today. All right, y'all. So I am in this position. We do have news at 10, so we'll see how it go. But hopefully this could be a quick trade. You know, um, that's what I would preferably like to see. Just something, just for our TP to get hit. Um, just something for our TP to get hit quickly. But um, yeah, this is what we looking at as of right now. And yeah, bro. I got your bitch. You already know I go looking for shit.
I'm stingy. My shirt off white, nigga, yours dingy. I can see the game clear. I'm a floor seater, baby. This a coupe. Not a I'm going trizzy. I just put the drum on the drizzy. I just put the dick in her kidney. Put the fin in the Bobby, we don't take the Whitney. I can't leave a bar till my pocket's empty.
All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, we did end up winning this trade. We did make our money back from yesterday. Um, I think we lost 250 yesterday. We end up making 300 today, so we're up 50 on the week. Um, I'm not gonna try to force nothing. I'm not gonna do nothing like that. It's crazy because this was actually 50 pips, and um, we could have got a little bit more, but hey, I ain't got nothing to complain about. This was a damn near picture perfect play trade. Y'all saw that. Well, actually, I can go to my Discord. I'm actually live in the Discord right now. Let me end that. But y'all can see um, that this was what I was looking at. This was the trade that I was looking at from the beginning. Um, this this supply zone, but we did have a 15-minute demand zone right there, and as y'all know, yesterday I was wrong by thinking that my demand zone wasn't gonna hold up. But today, um, it was just so much consolidation. Like we had chop, 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 chop. Then it was chop going into market open. And like I said, bro, I just trusted this 30-minute zone more than I trusted the 15-minute zone. And um, during market open, damn, I really should have held that shit. Um, but this was, let's see, I can't even tell. But during market open, the candle broke below the EMA. Yeah, we had wicked deep below the EMA, so that was kind of my bearish confirmation. This was right before market open, and the market open candle did. If y'all were watching this or if y'all were on the charts during market open, the market did open up and give you a pullback and tap into the zone right before this big drop to the downside, which it is still going. Um, and yeah, this was a beautiful, beautiful trade. Um, it's not really too much to break down. Like I said, this was a 30-minute supply zone, as y'all can see. We didn't sweep those London highs, um, which kind of concerned me a little bit, but you know, I just trusted my analysis, and this 30-minute zone ended up holding up. And yeah, like I said, this was a pretty simple trade. All right, y'all. So I am done for the day. Um, Hopefully this video isn't too short. I don't really have nothing going on. I know y'all be like, bro, this nigga day in the live videos is literally just a trade and that's it. But that's literally all I do is wake up, trade, and chill for the rest of the day if I'm not doing content. But yeah, man. Listen, bro. Listen. Today or this trade, y'all saw this whole entire trade live, the whole thing from start to finish. Y'all saw my real emotions. Y'all saw me almost fall for the same thing that I fell for yesterday. Y'all saw how market open. Actually, no, I'm not even going to say it because market open actually gave us a clear direction, or before market open actually gave us a clear direction. But y'all can see it was the same situation. Consolidation right on the EMA before market open. Yesterday, like I said, we thought market open was going to reject our zone. But today, I was very, very confident in my zone. And I knew that it was going to hold up. I really didn't have no worries in this trade at all. And y'all saw how it went. But yeah, man, that's the power of back testing. That's the power of actually trusting your strategy. Um, a lot of y'all say that y'all trust y'all strategy, but y'all don't really. Me, I personally believe that supply and demand is the best thing ever. If I'm going to die on my shield, it's going to be trading supply and demand. I just personally feel like supply and demand is the best strategy that I ever traded. Based off of my back testing, based off of everything that I've done, supply and demand is what works the best for me. Now, you have to do that same thing. You have to find what strategy works the best for you to where you can work it mechanically. Me, I can work supply and demand mechanically. I know when I'm in a good trade and when I'm not in a good trade. It's a whole good feeling. Yesterday, I knew that it wasn't a good trade. I was like, maybe I should close it at break even. Maybe I should do this. But today I didn't have none of that. We went into drawdown. Oh, I was 5:30, no, not even 30 seconds later, boom, a big ass drop to the downside. TP get filled 5-10 minutes later. So that's what I mean by trusting your analysis. Like, bro, if you're in my Discord, if you, well, y'all saw, I call the whole thing live. I do this every single day. I do it every day. So, yeah, bro, just simply trust your analysis, please, bro. Trust your analysis, bro. If you've been in the game as long as me or close to as long as me, bro, you know what you're doing, bro. Like I keep telling y'all, if you've been in this game for a couple years, it is not your strategy. I'm telling you that it's not your strategy. You just need a couple tweaks to your discipline and your psychology. You just need to actually stay disciplined and follow those rules. If it do not tap into your zone or whatever your confirmation is,
If it does not give you those fucking confirmations, don't take the trade. It is very simple. It's very simple. Very, very simple. So, yeah, man, stay disciplined, follow your rules, and I promise you, this trading shit will come naturally. It will come natural. Like, it will just flow naturally. So, yeah, that's the message I want to leave y'all with today. But we will be back tomorrow. I think it is news tomorrow too, so we will be a little careful with that. But it's KTreyTrades, man. I love y'all. Thank y'all for all the growth and support I've been getting, man. Honestly, once again, I'm going to keep saying it as I always do. I truly, truly love y'all and appreciate y'all. And yeah, man, I'll see y'all in the morning.